Make a slip knot. Chain 53 plus 1 for size S. For any sizes of a top, crochet odd number of chains plus 1. After chaining 53, chain 1. Now into the second chain from your hook, work 1 single crochet. Into the same stitch, work 1 double crochet. Skip 1 chain and into the next chain, work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1 chain and into the next chain, work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat the same process and complete the row. Into every last stitch of your row, work only 1 single crochet. For new row, always chain 1 and turn your work. Now into the second chain from your hook, work 1 single crochet. Into the same stitch, work double crochet. Skip 1 chain and into the next chain, work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Continue working the same process till row 29, which is 6.5 inches long. For the neckline, fold the piece of the top. Use your marker and pin it in the middle. Continue working the same pattern till the marker. Work single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And crochet the same stitch till row 8. Now we need to decrease for the V shape. Work single crochet into the first stitch. Skip 1 and double crochet into the next stitch. Rest of the stitches, work the same pattern. You will need to decrease only one side. Skip 1 and work 1 half double crochet into the last stitch. And this is how you need to decrease in this side of your neck for 5 rows. After decreasing 5 rows, crochet 7 rows with no decrease. Work the same process on the other side for the neckline. This is how your top should look like. And this is the back piece. I've crocheted as long as the front piece. Here in the front piece, I've ended up 6 inches. So crochet the same number of inches on the back piece to join. For the collar, I have crocheted 15 rows with no increase. For the sleeve, I'm gonna crochet 13.5 inches long. Crochet according to your size. Crochet till 13 rows. Join the pieces. Crochet single crochet in each stitches. Work 1/2 double crochet here and crochet single crochet till the collar. Once you're done, chain 1, cut the yarn and pull through. So this is the final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today's video. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.